All the patients carry their own doctor inside of themselves. They come to us not being aware of this truth. We are more successful when we give the chance for that doctor to act. Albert Schweitzer.
Needles of Lyapko applicators contain some required for organism metals: zinc, copper, iron, nickel and silver. The high curable efficiency is reached at the cost of creation of galvanic current between the needle tips and needle galvanic current that charges the weakened organism with energy, improves the state of health, bring relief to painful sites. Galvanization facilitates metabolic metabolism, enhances restoration process, helps to produce biologically active substances, decreases the painfulness and tactile sensitivity of skin. Due to this effect, there is electrophoresis of metals and the body intakes all the required microelements, providing it with normal functioning of all organs and systems.
The doctor beginner prescribes dozens of drugs for each disease. The experienced physician just several for treating many diseases. Dr. Lyapko recommends the only one means for treatment of practically all diseases and for keeping fit is applicators.
Lyapko applicators are used for the following diseases: diseases and injuries of musculoskeletal system, and applicators remove pain in the spine, joint and muscles, nervous system disease, cardiovascular system, respiratory organs, digestive apparatus, gynecopathy, obstetrics, dermatosis, in urology, endocrine diseases, stomatology. Lyapko applicators have no analogues in the world, as they have nothing equal as to multiply factors and force of action, efficiency and results, simplicity and reliability in use.
Люди, которые конкретно сталкиваются, лоб в лоб с проблемой.
I offer this applicator to people that face a certain problem in conditions where it is possible to receive any help when nothing helps them anymore. They answer, "Well, I'll try it," and after that they don't stop using it. Little by little they start using rollers, carpets, daisies, faro. I must say that Lyapko applicators, it is a really good thing. I work as a doctor and started using the needles long time ago, at the time they first appeared. They helped our family and my patients. I use the applicators at work and I recommend to use them at home also. No one has ever told that he or she didn't like it or didn't help. When the children were ill, the respiratory disease or bronchitis, the applicators help to lower temperature and relax muscles. Applicators also help in sports. My daughter did gymnastics and my son did wrestling. So, when they had sprains, the applicators help to allay muscle pain and tiredness. I use the applicator at work to treat radiculates, myositis, neuralgia and neuritis. The applicators are designed for applying to any parts of the body. They can be elastic, plate, bolsters, insoles and belt-like.
Сама для себя я сделала вывод, что это...
I came to conclusion that it is a kind of a first aid. Even a person that doesn't believe in it can just buy a small applicator for a start and try to get rid of headache. The result will be obtained in 2-3 minutes.
3 минуты вы ощутите очень хороший результат.
Small applicators can be used for colds instead of mustard plasters. Besides, they are successfully decrease temperature. Applicator plates are used for treatment of different diseases: osteochondrosis, digestive system, liver, kidneys, urogenital system, endocrine diseases, nervous system, heart disease, respiratory apparatus, impotence, frigidity, dermatitis, endocrine diseases, and so on. The powerful effect is reached when lying on applicators for 20-30 minutes. The course of treatment is 1-2 weeks. The applicators helps me to soothe back pain. It's a wonderful thing for my spine. It also treats osteochondrosis. It really helps to have a healthy back. I work as a neuropathologist at the hospital for railway. I often deal with a patient with a chronic lumbosacral radiculates, neck and thoracic spine pain. Every day I hear the same phrase of my patients: "Only Lyapko applicators help me." They stand the pain and are equal to acupuncture treatment in effect. application therapy of Nikolai Grigorievich Lyapko was tested in Kiev National Medical University. Kiev Medical Academy of Aftergraduate Education was well recommended in the Donetsk Oblast Hospital for World War II veterans, Marinka town of the Donetsk Oblast. Donetsk Railway Hospital, Department of Reflex Therapy of Marinka Central Regional Hospital, and also in many other clinics, medical institutions, Research Institute of Reflex Therapy of Ukraine and Russia.
В нашем центре широко используют аппликаторы Lyapko. В настоящее время...
At our center, we use Lyapko applicators. At present, our general practitioners...
I also used this method. 2 or 3 years ago, I had a spinal disease. At present, I use the applicators every morning for 10 to 15 minutes, and I even started doing my morning exercises. My wife also started using the applicators, and we recommend them to all. The method has spread beyond the limits of Mariinsky region, Ukraine and Russia. It is famous abroad. It is a very effective method.
More than 17,000 patients have been treated in our department since 1996. We have a very high cure rate, and we are surprised with it because 98% of our patients notice a positive effect. I should stress that the age of our patients is 80-90 years. Recently, the Crimean Medical University has got authentic scientific data of high curable efficiency of Lyapko applicators for various states of health. There were also noted high results in Saki City at specialized Burdenka Sanatorium for spinal patients, where they undergo the treatment of vertebral column injuries. We notice positive effects after first treatment procedures using Lyapko applicators. Our patients notice improvement on their general state of health, mood and ability to work. During the process of treatment, gradual renewal of lost sensibility takes place, as well as increase of volume of movement, strengthening of back, neck, limbs and muscles. Pain syndrome is abated. The functions of pelvis minor are renewed. After treatment with Lyapko applicators, patients aim at active way of life. When I got up from applicators, I felt movement in my legs, blood surge. I never felt anything like this before because I had full paraparesis. After using applicators, I was in euphoria for about 3 hours. Lyapko applicator is one of the few national consumer goods of medical purpose, which is well known in Germany, Great Britain, America, Hungary, Canada, Australia.